In the long-term future, I'd like to set up my own company, become self-employed, and I'd like to pass my knowledge on to my future apprentices. I grew up in Moyglass. I went to Scoil Ruáin, Killenaule. It's a Tipperary ETB school. We did test classes when you went first year, woodwork, metalwork and home ec, and I picked woodwork. I always enjoyed woodwork class and brought that into the Leaving Cert doing construction studies. My teacher, Mr. Paul White, he encouraged me to pick up the trade after I finished my Leaving Cert, and before I finished school I got in contact with a local builder and had a job sorted for when I finished the Leaving Cert. For my Leaving Cert I did a stairs, and it really made me interested in how important finer details are in making things work like a stairs. Yeah, that's basically when I knew that's what I wanted to do. So I was with, as I said, the local builder of Moyglass. For the first year it was mainly site work, basic, second fix, first fix, a bit of roofing, but it was all the old school techniques I was learning, so I do think I learned a lot in that year. And after that year I decided I wanted to learn a bit more in fine woodworking and finish joinery. So I got in contact with Eddie Power of Power Construction and Carpentry, and with him we were fitting kitchens, wardrobes, we were second fixing and roofing, and we also fit bespoke joinery in high-end hotels and bars. I wouldn't have the skills today if it wasn't for the team of highly skilled craftspeople at Power Construction. For phase 2 it was delayed, and it was a longer phase as well because of COVID obviously, and I was in Killenaule in Waterford and Ted Kennedy was my tutor there. Phase 4 then was in TUS in Limerick. I had Eamon O'Riordan as my tutor, and for phase 6 I had Morris Burke in MTU Cork. Because I have my level 6 craft certificate, my cert is internationally recognised. I'd like to travel the world a bit. I know I can get work and experience different cultures. I'm also upskilling at the minute. I'm doing AutoCAD in a course in National ETB Centre in Limerick. The blended learning and work in the apprenticeship, say you go to your college phase, you're working, I think you learn a lot more than some people that go to college and go into a work job afterwards. They might be a little bit lost compared to someone that has, 2 years experience in working throughout the 4 years.